What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at the DJI OSMO Pocket and some alternatives for the casing. Here we go. First and foremost, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified in the next videos to come of DJI OSMO Pocket and little accessories and here and there. Check out my merch at 1130.ca. You'll be able to buy all these unboxing and review items for your DJI OSMO Pocket all in there. So make sure you guys check that out. And today we're looking at this device, which is going to be a different casing for a DJI OSMO Pocket. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's nothing in there anymore. Let's throw that out. Open it up just like that. Don't need that plastic anymore. So essentially it's about the same thickness. It'll still fit in your pocket, and that is the whole point of DJI OSMO Pocket. We can go ahead and take it out of our default case here, which came in the box. Just leave that right here, and let's open up our casing. This casing is very nice as well. It's fairly cheap. I'll link that down in the description below. It has some strap right there, and basically that's it. So in here you'll be able to put your DJI OSMO Pocket, but the little surprise for this is having lenses in here. So in this case, you'll be able to have different spots for your micro SD cards over here, or maybe even ND filters. All sorts of things. Depends on your usage, and you'll be able to do that just like that. In this spot right here, they also have a USB slot where you can still plug in your DJI OSMO Pocket without taking it out of the case. This is fairly good as well. It has an O-ring all around this, as you guys can see there. That makes it easier for more convenient as well if you're traveling in kayaking or around water. This will protect your DJI OSMO Pocket. Let's try it out now. Let's put it inside. Fits right in just like that. And this will just close the hinge just like that. And there you go. And this is fully protected as well, as you can see on my DJI OSMO Pocket. Because of its original casing, it has some minor scratches right there, which is because the original case is like this and it's not a full back. The back is exposed. For this one, it's a full casing, so it helps a lot on protecting your DJI OSMO Pocket, just like that. Give you a little strap as well, which you can use right around your neck. You can snap this in just like that, or you could take it out as well if you're using your DJI OSMO Pocket. There you go. I probably won't be using this strap all that much. As you guys can see there, perfect spot, perfect hole for the USB-C for charging your DJI OSMO Pocket. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified in the next videos to come. Make sure to check out my merch at 1130.ca. I was able to help you guys to have a different alternative for your DJI OSMO Pocket, and I hope you guys have a good day. Stay grateful. Peace.